Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Yes, today in this video, there is a good job opportunities from two companies, Tata, Genpact, work location Hyderabad. So let's get started. First, Genpact. They are hiring process associate, customer care, non-voice. Eligibility criteria in order to apply for this position: minimum qualification, any graduate. If you've done your graduation in any stream, you are eligible for this position. PG will be an added advantage but not compulsory. Freshers, experience, both can apply for this position, but freshers with excellent communication skills, both written and verbal, in English. If we see preferred qualification, effective probing skills and analyzing understanding skills, problem solving skills with customer centric approach, able to work on flexible schedule including weekend shift work. Responsibilities includes provide resolution to maintain standard of quality, recognize trends and patterns and raise issues timely, provide insights to help improve the support to the users, maintain thorough understanding of process and policies, provide excellent customer service to the customers. Self-starting, intellectually curious, creative individual comfortable operating in fast-paced, multi-facet environment. So candidates who are flexible to work with team and work independently, flexible with timings are eligible for this position. Viewers, freshers can also eligible for this position. Interested candidates can apply for this position. Work location is Hyderabad. I'm going to provide link in the description. Through link you can apply for this particular position. All the best viewers. And next job opportunity from Tata, and they are hiring graduate engineering trainee positions. For selected candidate, salary is 5,25,000. Freshers can apply. 2022-2021 batch. Last day to apply is 25th Feb 2021. Drive date is Saturday 27th Feb 2021. Drive location remote online. Eligibility criteria: 2021 batch, BE BTech, mechanical, production and as well as mechatronic branches are eligible. Candidate with excellent academic record are eligible for this position. Overall we had 50 positions. Selection process includes aptitude test, PH round, that could be an additional screening test, technical test, interviews, which divided into technical, HR. Only candidates who score well in PH technical test will be invited for the interviewers. So you need to clear first two rounds in order to attend last round, which includes technical and HR round. So interested candidates can apply for this position by logging it. So I am going to provide two important links in the description. Through link you can apply for particular position which matches your profile. All the best viewers. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. And subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time. Thank you very much viewers.